Chronic cystitis is an inflammation of bladder that persists for months. Chronic cystitis causes pain in the pelvic area. This pain worsens with bladder filling and improves after urination. That's why even small amount of urine triggers the sensation of needing to urinate urgently and frequently. This discomfort is significant enough to disrupt normal daily activities. Chronic cystitis can cause relationship problems due to painful intercourse. Chronic cystitis is also known as interstitial cystitis, and it primarily affects women. It's not common urinary tract infection, which is usually caused by bacteria. In this case, underlying cause is unclear, but it's believed to be related to dysfunction in the bladder wall. It becomes thinner and more sensitive and prone to inflammation. Interstitial cystitis is difficult to diagnose because no specific test, difficulty to manage because no single treatment is universally effective. That's why we present the best certain management strategies for chronic cystitis. First, avoid irritant foods. These include caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, citrus foods, tomatoes, cranberries. They can create an acidic environment in the urine and further irritate bladder lining. Second, alkalize urine. Vegetables and some fruits neutralize urine acidity and reduce cystitis symptoms. Such vegetables are leafy greens such as spinach and kale, root vegetables like carrots and beets, green beans, peas, from fruits melons, bananas, avocados, coconut, most nuts and seeds like flaxseed and pumpkin seeds. 3. Scheduled voiding. Start by observing and tracking your urination frequency through the day and gradually extend the intervals between bathroom visits. For instance, if you currently urinate every hour, aim to extend this by 15 minutes in the week and strictly adhere to this new schedule. Then progressively increase the intervals each week. 4. Urgency suppression techniques. When feeling the urge to urinate, stop and don't move. It helps reduce the sensation of urgency. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles as if trying to halt urine flow. Hold this contraction for a few seconds and relax. Repeat this process several times. 5. Deep breathing technique. Lie on your back with your knee bent and feet flat on the floor. Breathe slowly using your diaphragm. Ensure that your stomach is moving during inhalation and exhalation. This method helps relax the pelvic muscles and reduce the sense of urgency. 6. Stress management. Techniques such as yoga and meditation beneficial for stress reduction, which in turn positively impacts cystitis symptoms. 7. Pain medication. For alleviating pain associated with cystitis, common medications include ibuprofen and naproxen. 8. Hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate. These supplements are used to treat interstitial cystitis as they are believed to aid the repair and restoration of the bladder lining. However, further research is needed to confirm this efficacy. 9. Quercetin. This supplement is popular for managing symptoms of chronic cystitis due to its anti-inflammatory properties, although effectiveness studies are mixed. Magnesium deficiency and L-arginine supplements. A deficiency in magnesium exacerbates cystitis symptoms, while L-arginine is important for nitric oxide production, and it may improve blood flow and potentially assist in the restoration of bladder lining. However, the research and findings on the supplements are mixed. If the aforementioned treatment strategies is not effective and don't provide relief, second-line treatments may be considered. 11. Low-dose antidepressants. Medications such as amitriptyline are used to manage chronic cystitis by altering pain perception and providing a relaxed effect on the bladder. 12. Pentazone polysulfate sodium, Elmiron. This is the only medication approved by FDA specifically for chronic cystitis. It works by aiding the repair of the bladder lining. And 13. Botox injections. If other treatments are ineffective, Botox injections into the bladder muscle can reduce urgency and frequency of urination.